Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the Ulta Lip Glossary 16-piece Deluxe Lip Vault. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this lip vault, stay tuned. So as part of their holiday collection, Ulta released this lip glossary, which is a 16-piece deluxe lip vault. And inside of here, we have 4 tinted lip oils, 4 sheer lip glosses, 4 matte liquid lipsticks, and 4 high shine liquid lipsticks. So this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty packaging. And then when you open it up, you have a nice little design there, and then all of your lip products are nicely packaged down there. Now, these are deluxe size lippies, but there's quite a bit in each container, so it's enough to last for quite some time. Now, the cost of this lip kit is $18, which I thought is a really good deal for 16 deluxe size lippies. So let's go ahead and do some swatches and see how they perform. Now, the first group of products in here are their lip glosses, their sheer lip glosses. Now, I did notice that none of these have colors listed on them, and there's no colors listed on the back of the box either, which is pretty typical for Ulta. I kind of noticed that their holiday packaging, things that I've bought so far this year, none of them had colors listed on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show them to you, and we'll kind of guess the colors as we go along. Anyway, we're starting with this first sheer lip gloss, and this looks like a pretty pink inside of the tube there. These tubes are actually really, really pretty. I love the gold, the rose gold tops there. And each one of these tubes has 0.05 fluid ounces of product in it. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch this. Now it is sheer, so I'm not sure if anything is gonna show up. You can't see anything, but that's where I swatched it at. And it feels really good. It's not really sticky at all. Actually, this is a little bit tackier than the other lip glosses that they have, but nothing that's really bad. And I would definitely use this over another lippy or on a day when I just didn't want to wear any lipstick. The next one we have in here is another sheer lip gloss, and this looks like it is like a nude or neutral type of color there, like a hint of brown and peach going on. I'll go ahead and try to swatch this as well. This has a tiny hint of color to it. I don't know how much you're really going to be able to see it on camera, but there it is right there. It's really nice though. Like I said, they feel pretty good. And for me, I would probably throw them over other lippies because I love putting a gloss on top of a lipstick. Just to let you know, when we get to the lipstick portion of this set, I will swatch it and also do a try on. What I'll do is I'll take a picture with the lip color on and I'll insert it next to the swatch so you can see what the lipsticks look like. I'm just really not going to do that for the gloss because there really isn't much color, if any at all. All right, the next gloss we have in here is this nice, it's kind of a pinky shade, I guess. And here's what that looks like. It's not as pink as the other one, maybe more of a coral, I would say. And again, there's really nothing there, like a tiny, tiny slight hint of color, but if you rub that in all the way good, you wouldn't even get that much. And they are glosses, so that's to be expected. I guess the coloring just makes them look prettier in the tube. And here's one that looks like, it almost looks white, like a snow color, but I'm assuming that's just supposed to be clear. And here's that last sheer lippy right there. Okay, that's all 4 of them swatched. Like I said, you can barely see anything. All right, so let's move on to the tinted lip oils in this collection. And again, you're probably not gonna be able to see much because they are lip oils, but we'll give it a shot anyway. Here's this first one here, which looks like a neutral color, a little brownish in there. Let's see what we got. Now, I'm not a huge fan of lip oils. As soon as I said it, I swatched this one. It's absolutely really, really pretty. Wow, I really like this. So I'm gonna take that back. It actually feels pretty good too. Here's what that looks like. Look at that first one. It has a little bit of color in there. The next one we have is a pink or strawberry looking shade. I'm really quite surprised that these lip oils have so much color. This is really pretty. Here's that shade here. I'm really never usually a lip oil fan, but these are beautiful and they're not sticky at all. I could wear these alone or, again, put them over another lipstick. Next up, we have this like purpley, light purpley color. And here's what that looks like there. Now what I will do, I will add some lip swatches in next to the swatches for these as well. I didn't realize they would have so much pigment in them, but since they do, I'll add a swatch so you can see those. And here's the last one. That's like a deep mauve-y purple type of shade there. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And here's what that one looks like swatched right there. I am pleasantly surprised by these lip oils, guys. Loving them. Next up, we have the 4 matte liquid lipsticks, and we're going to start with this mauve looking one there. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Here's what that looks like swatched. Look how pretty that color is. That is gorgeous. Next, we have this deep maroonish looking shade there. It's like a deep red, really. Oh, wow. That is such a gorgeous red. Here's that red. Look at that. That is such a beautiful red. It's like a deep red, almost burgundy-ish color. I love that. Those colors are right up my alley. The next shade we have looks like a cross between a purplish and a pink to me, and here's what it looks like. Again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. These matte liquid lipsticks are just gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. I love all of the matte liquid lipsticks. Really, really pretty. And the last of the matte liquid lipsticks is this mauve looking shade here. Kind of nudish. Again, very pretty. Here's what that looks like. And they go on really smoothly too, so I'm excited to try these. I actually think I've used Ulta's matte lippies before, and I like them as far as I can remember, but I know I've had some lip products from them. Alright guys, the last set of lippies that we have in here, the last 4 are the High Shine liquid lipsticks, and we're looking at this deep burgundy shade here first. This color is amazing. Look at that. It actually matches my shirt quite well today. That's very, very pretty. Next up, we have like a deep fuchsia type of shade. Actually, that's not really fuchsia. It's like a mix between a purple and a red. I'm not sure what you'd call that, but that's what it looks like to me. I really wish they had some shade names on here. These may just be holiday colors. I'm not sure because I don't know the names of their colors that they carry in their actual collection, but here's what that looks like. Again, gorgeous, nice deep color, perfect for the holidays and these fall and winter months. This is a nice brown shade, this next one. And here's what that looks like. And here's what it looks like swatched. I like this as well. I know I keep saying that, but I actually like all of the shades in the lipsticks and the lip oils. The whole kit is really nice. And I mean, for $18, I think it's a steal. You get 16 different lip products to try, and there's plenty in each tube that you can use them for quite some time. So just a really, really nice set. And the last one we have here is this kind of pinky tone, a deep pinkish tone. And here's what that looks like. Alright guys, so that was all of the products in this Ulta Lip Glossary Lip Vault swatched. And I think that this is just such a nice little set, such a bargain for $18. Like I said, again, you get 16 different lip products, and I absolutely love all of the colors in here. And the lip glosses are nice as well. They just really don't have much color to them. They would just be something that I would throw on top of the other lipsticks. But I think it's a really, really great value. So let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this and if it's something that you'll be adding to your collection for this holiday season. Now, if you're not tired of hanging out with me yet and you would like to see some more holiday collections or advent calendar unboxings, I'll go ahead and leave a link up here so that you can check those out if you like. But anyway, guys, that's everything that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.